Hey YouTube, it's Taylor Nicole back with another wig install video, and we just gonna hop right into it. Don't waste no time. So this is me putting on the cap. So before I glue, of course I cut out my ears to make sure I have the cap secure, and then I use my black ebony spray to glue down the cap and blow dry it on cool air. So you'll see me do that, and yep. And then we just go fast forward to me cutting off the cap after it's dried. Also, if I did not mention before, I am using cold setting on the blow dryer to dry the glue for the cap. So, yeah. Just keep watching, and if you made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned for the results. So now I'm finally cutting off the excessive cap that I do not need before I put on the wig. Mind me, guys, this is me in my own world, as you guys can see. Now we are more into the process of finna bust it down. So right here, I am lining it up to see if I need to cut more cap or if it's just right on my head. Then I'll be applying the makeup to the cap, and just like that. Wig install is pretty easy after the cap, for real, honestly, in my opinion, because if you have a ball cap, then all you need to focus on is melting the lace. Now I'm finna jump right into the wig install. Just make sure you hot comb all the hair back so no hair will get under the lace while you're gluing it down, because that will make it look so just dirty. This is the most important, cutting off the ear tab so the wig can fit properly to your head and won't bother you. This glue right here, bomb. Like, I'm telling y'all, bomb, 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 bomb. Like, y'all just don't understand until y'all get it. So the link will be in the description. It is one of my friends' glue, and yeah, you guys just have to try it out, because when I tell you, you can add like 2 layers, and it is sweat proof, water, all that, whatever comes in the good glue. Like, when I tell y'all, it melts good. It, like, I used it once and never start using Boho again, like, at all. Like, this glue is top tier. Y'all just gonna have to try it. So link in the description. I'm telling y'all. So yeah. So as I wait for the layer to dry, I am back into my own world. I must be listening to some music, or I could just be that's just me. Like, oh yeah. Now the glue is dried. Make sure the glue is dry completely to the point where you don't see it, so the white should not be there. And then, as you can see, I'm just combing the lace in, and I'm making sure that I have it lined up to where I want it, because sometimes I do have a hard time, especially if I don't have no good lighting. It's hard to see when the cap is your skin color. So just make sure you're just lined up in the way you want it, because oh my gosh, I don't know what install this is on me. I know it's more than the 10th install. So yeah, it took me a lot of practice to get to where I am right now, but all I can say is wig installs are easy. That is that. But so you see me putting the band on, and I'm melting it again in my own world once again, because I am feeling the blonde. I toned this wig myself. I also have a video in the shorts of how I toned it. So go watch that. I'll put it in the description. So now I'm flat ironing the hair, because This hair came from Amazon, and this is the first Amazon wig I ordered. Listen to other people on TikTok. I would never ever do wig. Will take any advice from wig reviews on TikTok, especially if it's an Amazon wig, because they will set you up for failure. Y'all, this wig was horrible. I don't even know the name, but all I know is I'm gonna stick to my AliExpress vendors because I love my AliExpress vendors. There's only two vendors that I go to that I faithfully and loyal go to, like for real. So yeah, but all that talking, I didn't cut that lace and everything. And do y'all see? Like, do y'all see how it look? I did not think blonde was gonna be bomb on me, but it is, and I was loving it, y'all. I was loving it. I was loving it. And I installed this wig for Christmas, for the photos, of course, and it turned out cute. Honestly, I didn't know if I wanted baby hairs or not, but I ended up adding baby hairs because my faux head was just too big. But the baby hairs you could barely see, so I just had to really just pull out more and just fluff them out. But these are the ending results, and I added the braid. I did not like that, so I took it out eventually. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.